so maintenance of a sewing machine. And unfortunately, usually this is the biggest missing part for people who are learning to sew on their own. And even if you're planning to bring your sewing machine to a mechanic for regular checkup, maintenance, like cleaning and oiling, let's say on a yearly basis, this would be a good decision, even though you can do it on your own. But there are also certain things that we need to know and perform with our sewing machine on a daily, weekly and monthly or bi-monthly basis. To keep our sewing machine in the best shape for the longest possible time, to maintain a proper and stable stitching quality with the different types of fabrics, with different threads and needles. So every time we change our sewing project, we want to expect the same performance from our sewing machine, right? So in the upcoming videos and posts, I will explain what exactly you need to learn and perform with your sewing machine and in which order. So if you're learning to sew on your own, leave me a comment and I will send you a checklist of what you need to learn and in which order you need to perform it with your sewing machine. If you already joined my sewing fundamental course, you probably already saw that you will have access to this module right after you will have the full access to the very first module of the course. So you will start taking care of your sewing machine right away. Looking forward to hear from you and see you in my next videos and posts with more details and information.